Hey there, friends. Today we're talking about plate glass coverage. What is plate glass coverage? Plate glass insurance covers damages to large panes of plate glass on your company's site. Standard plate glass insurance usually replaces or repairs glass that's accidentally broken, but may exclude coverage if glass is damaged in a fire or improperly installed. Whether in front of a gym or storefront, commercial plate glass is expensive, more challenging to install than conventional glass, and often requires costly repairs. It's not just the cost of the glass itself. Plate glass insurance coverage may also include the expenses for putting the glass back in place, the installation costs. Whether it's a big storefront window or a glass door, plate glass coverage has your back. So there you have it. If you found this info helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical tips, and share it with your fellow business owners or colleagues. Until next time, stay covered and stay awesome. Ciao.